Alright, well, good morning everybody, and welcome to another video blog brought to you by AUDUSD, supported by Serene Education. Just one of the things that I'd like to talk about quickly is the Australian dollar versus the US dollar chart. I'm just going to be talking for about maybe 1 or 2 minutes on something that is currently happening right now, which I believe might play out, also having the potential that it might not play out depending on how the market reacts to certain news and certain times during the day, and also obviously what's currently happening at the moment. If you look at this particular currency pair from late to the beginning of this year to now, it's been in a downward trend, and for the last 2 or 3 months it's been an upward trend. So the minor trend, or the current minor trend on this particular pair, is in the upward position. Now unfortunately we can't make money from what has previously happened, but what we can do is we can make money on stuff that is currently happening right now. To bring your attention to is this end, or the hard right edge at the moment, which is currently happening on a daily chart. If you were to look at this particular one and I were to draw 2 trend lines in, you can probably see what I'm referring to is I'm referring to more of a channel formation that is currently happening. At the moment it's setting itself up to a third move, so we've got one move there, and we've got now this third move that's happening now. One of the things that I'm kind of not happy with at the moment is, if you have a look, you had this large bearish engulfing candle, and then for the last 7 days you had an upward trend. Then you had a lot of indecision happening. You had a nice shooting star that hit against the trend line, which you draw across those 2 candles, and then we had a turnover yesterday, a nice trade to the downside, once again forming another bearish engulfing candle to the downside. But then we can see which is happening here. We're having another update today, which for me is not a good sign, because we could see a reversal. This could form a bullish Arami, and then we could have an uptake to the upside as well. If you were to draw another trend line just straight across here quickly, just having a look at it, you can see that this particular one is bouncing currently on a nice support area. And also if you take a trend line to the upside, you'll probably find that it's once again knocking on the support area as well. So it's got a pretty strong support area at the moment. So we've got to look and see which way that this is going to be going, and all we can do is we can look at the fundamentals and the technical analysis, and we can determine that the trend is up at the moment. It is on support and resistance, but then again I see a channel that is formed, and it's proved itself 2 times that it has worked out. So we could be looking at a potential setup. If it doesn't, we could have a bounce to the upside, then I'd wait for it to break. We could have a channel breakout. Maybe this could be a ABC move, or 1, 2, 3 move, which basically have an uptrend, downtrend, and then you have a third trend to the upside. So we could have a pullback that is just happening and it's going to take off. That's it from me. Hope you find this video blog interesting and informative, and I do advise that if you do look at this and look at a potential trade setup, to obviously do your own research, and then take it on that. Alright, speak to you later.